Hello friends, welcome to the HTML tutorial, and in this guide we will take a look at Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, the backbone of web development. So let's get started. The very first tag in HTML is HTML tag, and the HTML tag marks the beginning and the end of HTML document. So let's write the code. HTML, this is a pair tag, the opening and closing tag. Inside the HTML tag, we have a head section. Basically, the head tag or head section contains meta information, and you can include additional meta tags like links to external style sheets or add scripts within the head section as needed for your specific requirements. We also give title to our website, and we use title tag, and the title tag set the title of HTML document. Like I'm giving title my website, just save this file, click on file, click on save, and the extension we use is .html. Click all files and just click on save. Go and open the file. Maybe it takes time. You'll see the title of your website but nothing in body of your website because we haven't showed anything. Okay, so come back to the coding and let's start. Keep it up. And we have the body section after head section. Inside body, basically body section contains the visible content. So first of all, we have headings in HTML. We have 6 headings in HTML like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. The h1 is basically the heading 1 and the largest heading, and the h6 is heading 6, the smallest heading. Okay, just save and go to your Chrome and refresh the page. You'll see the headings, the largest and the smallest heading. So I'm gonna write some dots to make you understand that we have 6 headings: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. After that, if you want to use paragraph, then we have p tag, the opening and closing tag. Inside that tag we have to write the paragraph we want. For example, this is a paragraph to just show you how it works. Okay, save and refresh. This is a paragraph. You will see the dots all in one line, but we want all the dots on new line. For that we have a tag for line break tag, and that is br tag. Save and refresh and see the difference. So now I'm gonna use br tag after each and every dot. Save and refresh and see what happens. Okay, so after that we have anchor tag. If you want to link anything in your website, then we have to write anchor tag. Within the anchor tag we have to write the text we want to show to your user, and in opening tag we have to give some address inside quotation. H reference, hash means nothing to show. Okay, so if I paste YouTube address and save and refresh, and now if I click here, you will see the page will automatically open YouTube. Okay, this is how we use link. And after that we have image tag. If you want to add any image, then write img and src for source. Inside quotation you have to write the address of your image. Like I have a image of teacher. I'm gonna insert this image. Okay, teacher.jpg, and refresh it. Actually this is a big size image. We have all controls by using css or some attributes of HTML, but in this tutorial I'm not going in deep. I'm just giving you an overview of HTML. So after that we have form tag. For that, simply write form opening and closing tag, and we have inputs. Want to get input from user, so I want to get name of user, so that I have to type text inside type, and you'll see here the input box. Actually the picture is very big, so I'm gonna cut it from here and paste it below the form. Now you see how it works. Okay, this is a input. You can write your name here, and if you want placeholder, then simply write placeholder, and in quotation you have to write your name or the thing you want in that input. Okay, you see here placeholder. And now if you want label to your input, then simply write the label tag, and inside label tag we have to write the text we want, like name. Okay, just copy it, and if you want password for in your form, then just write password in label, and type also be password, and placeholder also password, and just save and refresh your page, and you will see here if you write the password, this will not be visible to you because this is a password. Okay, so I'm gonna use BR to bring it on new line. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so after that we have list in HTML. Okay, if you want to use any list, sometimes we use list in navigation bar along with anchor tags. So inside list we have li for list items. For example, right here home. Okay, save and refresh the page and you'll see unordered list. Okay, I'm just copying it for multiple times, and about contact, and for example blog. Save and refresh and see how it works. So yeah, now you want, if you want ordered list, so for that I'm just simply copying it and paste it below the unordered list, and just making it OL from UL, for example, for ordered list, and just see what happens, the unordered and the ordered list. Okay, this is the difference. After list we have table. If you want to use table to your website, then simply we have table tag. For that, the opening and closing tag, and in tab we have th for table head, the head section, and we have to write the tr for table row, and then we have to write the th for table header. Like we give some headings to our columns. Okay, the header, just save and refresh. This is by the way a table, but we haven't given any border, so just give border to your table, border and 1 pixel, and you'll see the border. Yeah, this is how it works. I'm gonna copy and paste it multiple times so the table will be visible much better. Okay, refresh it and you'll see here the head part of table. Now gonna write the t body for table body, the content, the table data we're gonna put in our table. Okay, for that we use t body. Inside we also have a tr, and then we have th for td for table data. So for example, if we have student name in the head or student ID, and for example the course we want to know. So then we have the student name, for example Johnson, and for example we have the student ID as 30 and the course is HTML. Save and refresh and we'll see here. This is the basic HTML tutorial, and if you like, so please guys thumbs up for the next video. And I want to say thank you to my newly subscribed person, Mr. Anand Kumar. Thank you very much.